What should I do if my general partner would like to be on payroll? Can I just issue him a W-2 or not? Welcome to Wyco-ffee Break, where we are giving you tips and tricks to any tax, payroll, bookkeeping, plus PPP. The first thing that we would have to check is, are you guys a limited liability company partnership, or are you like just a general partnership? You went to the county and register, because there are two different approach. If you are a general partner, always remember, when you're not an LLC, you cannot issue himself a W-2. Either you or nobody is qualified to be W-2. That is owner's withdrawal. Enable for them, for you to be treated or to pay yourself W-2, you need to be a corporation. Either you register to the state to become a corporation and be treated as a corporation on your tax return, so therefore an S-Corp would do it. You could issue yourself or your general partner to be under payroll. He will be treated as an employee. Okay, now if you are a limited liability company, you don't have to do all over again. All you have to do is to file an S-Corp election. Always remember, file an S-Corp election to the Internal Revenue Service. Then you have to wait for the approval before you start the payroll. Okay, so these are the services that we do. If you want to know more and follow to avoid the chance of audit, click the link below, because any wrong form or any misclassification of your expenses or income are red flags to the IRS, potential for audit. Click the link below and book your 30-minute free consultation today, because again, click, share, and subscribe here in Wyco Tax. You deserve the max. Stay safe.